Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners along by Chino. So, you can see here, 4-hour chart, caught between the rotation zone, tried to poke above it, tried to poke below it, closed in it. Again, tried to poke above it, poke below it, closed in it. So, what are we watching for tomorrow? I'm going to update this level, by the way, with a bigger pullback. We've now pulled back. We're still holding. This 63 is major support. Minor support is about 66. So minor support 66 on the close below 66, and we'll watch for 63. Close below 63. We'll start watching for 57. All right. Above this 68.50, then we're going to watch. Then it's a nice resumption. It'll be a nice rotation back up, and we'll start watching really for that minor resistance right around that 72, major resistance at 75, and then above 75 we'll start watching for the next higher levels, 76.24, 79.13, and 82.03. Based off the 4-hour, let's check it on the daily. You see still holding the rotation zone. So if it does again drop below 63, just keep an eye on about 59.50. That's the bottom of the daily rotation zone before we get to that 57. So again, you've seen how well that's held on Tesla recently. That's why we follow these. So really, if we break below that 63, keep it about 59.50 is a level that I'd really keep an eye on. So we have for you on Nikola Corporation, and I'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.